Some of the drinks which you actually believe are healthy are going against your body. Your morning drink look natural, taste refreshing and still affect your blood sugar, digestion and metabolism. Namaskar. The first thing you drink every morning is not just quenching your thirst. It is sending signals to your hormones, your digestion, your blood sugar, your metabolism, and even your energy for the rest of the day. Yet most people never question this habit. They simply repeat it every single morning because someone told them it was healthy. Today I am going to discuss 4 popular morning drinks that are quietly harming your health even though millions of people consume every day. Today I will explain why these drinks are not so healthy, and more importantly I will tell you what to drink instead. First, tea or coffee with sugar. For many people, morning doesn't begin until they have a cup of tea or coffee. Tea and coffee can be taken once in a while. In fact, they may contain some beneficial compounds such as antioxidants. What is not good is the added sugar and caffeine. 1 or 2 spoons of sugar every morning may not seem like much, but year after years, this extra sugar can contribute to blood sugar fluctuation, cravings for sweet foods, weight gain, and other metabolic problems. Many people drink tea and coffee to overcome fatigue, lack of sleep, and activate their brain. But it's important to understand that caffeine doesn't remove tiredness, it simply masks it for a while. Another common mistake is drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach. In people prone to acidity, caffeine can stimulate stomach acid and aggravate reflux or gastritis. So avoid making tea or coffee the very first thing you consume after waking up. Begin your day with a glass of warm water instead. Let your body wake up naturally. And if you choose to have tea or coffee, have it after eating something light. Second, fruit juice. A glass of fresh orange juice or mixed fruit juice may seem like a perfect healthy start for the day, but there is one important difference between eating a fruit and drinking its juice. A whole fruit comes packaged with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. The fiber slows the absorption of the natural sugar, helps you feel full, and protects you from sudden spike in blood sugar. When most of this fiber is removed, the sugar enters your bloodstream much quickly. Remember this simple principle. Your liver cannot tell whether fructose came from fruit juice or a soft drink once the fiber has been removed. Think about it. Would you eat 4 oranges in 5 minutes? Probably not. But you can easily drink a juice of 4 oranges within a minute. A typical glass of orange juice contains around 20 to 25 grams of natural sugar. That's about 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar consumed in just a few sips. That's the difference. Your body absorbs sugar much faster from juice than from whole fruit. Commercial fruit juices go a step further. Many contain food concentrates or added sugar, turning what appears to be a healthy drink into something much closer to a sugar-loaded beverage. Over time, repeated blood sugar spike may increase. The risk of insulin resistance, weight gain, fatty liver, and type 2 diabetes. Nature made fruit to be chewed, not swallowed in seconds. Third, packaged health drinks. Walk into any supermarket and you will see packets that promise stronger bones, sharpen the brain, and build immunity. Now turn the packet around, ignore the advertisement. Read the first 3 ingredients. See, the front of packet sells the dream. The back of the packet tells the truth. If the first ingredients are sugar or refined cereals, they make up the largest production of that product. Many of these drinks also contain ingredients such as glucose, syrups, maltodextrin, added sugar, artificial flavors, color stabilizers, and emulsifiers to improve its taste and texture and shelf life. A few added vitamins and minerals cannot compensate for a drink that is high in sugar and heavily processed. Instead of buying nutrition, build it naturally. One glass of sattu drink, roasted chana, peanuts, sesame sprouts, or homemade breakfast like upma, poha, idli, dosa give your body more meaningful nourishment than a sweetened powdered drink. Now, fourth, packet smoothies and flavored yogurt drink. Smoothies have become very popular because they sound healthy. The word smoothie creates an image of fruits, freshness, and nutrition. But packet smoothies and flavored yogurt drink also contain more added sugar, added flavors, and thickeners. Even some products labeled as probiotic may contain more sugar than expected. The problem is not yogurt or fruit. Both can be excellent food, but every extra ingredient added for shelf life, flavor, color, or texture moves the food little further away from the nature intended. A healthier homemade option is to have plain homemade curd and a few nuts or seeds. But don't take curd too early in the morning as it can cause mucus formation. After 10 is better. This will give you protein, fiber, and natural sweetness. No factory can improve on this combination. So, what should we drink in the morning? The answer is the one your body actually needs. The ideal morning drink is not same for everybody. There are a lot of factors here. It depends on your digestion, your age, your activity level, your health condition, and the season. For many people, simple choices are the best. Plain warm water after waking up. Warm water with lemon if it suits your digestion. Unsweetened herbal infusions. I have been talking about these from time to time in such videos. You can choose a kadha according to your health needs. It could be fat loss or acidity or some other condition. In summer, cooling infusions such as coriander or fennel is good. During the rainy season, a pinch of dry ginger in warm water supports sluggish digestion. Traditional drink which is taken usually in South India is nanari during the hot summer month, or half a cup of bale fruit juice. You can even do drink cycling by having warm shots of powders such as triphala, amla, moringa, tulsi, and other herbs on different days. But remember, no drink can replace a balanced lifestyle. Follow the 4 pillars of yogic living: ahar, mindful food; vihar, healthy movement; achar, disciplined habits, which are positive thoughts. Before choosing your morning drinks, ask yourself, is it nourishing my body, or am I taking it just because I have a habit? Such small choices become the foundation of our health. A healthy lifestyle is about understanding what nourishes your body. Disease doesn't usually appear overnight. It develops through the habit we repeat every day. And health is also built in the same way. Namaskar.